Hello and welcome back to Creative Teacher. Today we're going to be sentence superheroes by mastering how to use capital letters and full stops. Are you ready? Let's go. And stick around for the super challenge at the end of the video. Here we have the lower and uppercase of our alphabet. Capital letters are special. They always come at the start of a sentence and for names of people and places. The cat is happy. Can you see them here? Exactly, at the start of the sentence and at the end. Shaker travelled to London. We also use capital letters for I when talking about ourselves, like I love my cat, and this morning I was woken up by my needy cat's cries. Are you ready? Now spot the mistake. I enjoy nature walks along the river. You're right. Capital I, enjoy nature walks along the river, and a full stop at the end. Full stops are like traffic lights for your sentences. They tell the reader when to stop. We put a full stop at the end of every sentence. Without full stops, sentences just keep going and it's hard to understand the writer. Now it's time to test your superhero skills. I'll show you some sentences and can you spot where the capital letters and full stops should go? All animals deserve a loving home. Before it gets too hot, I would love to travel to Turkey on holiday. You can write these down or note where the capital letters and full stops should go. You did a fantastic job today. Remember, every sentence needs a capital letter and full stop. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a super sentence writer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time, superhero writers!